Hi everyone. Today we're going to create histograms. This is IXL assignment CC12. The architecture student counted the number of bricks in each building in her neighborhood. Use the data to complete the histogram below. So these are the bricks per building. They've already completed most of the histogram, so we're looking for the number of bricks in a building that are between 11 and 15. So let's count all of the ones we see that are between 11 and 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 between 11 and 15. I'm going to click on here, drag it up to 5, scroll down, hit submit. Job well done. The technical assistant manager monitors customers' wait times. Use the data to complete the histogram below. So as we see, we need to complete for 40 to 49 wait time minutes. So let's look and see, count all the ones that are between 40 and 49. 1. All we have is 1 this time. You don't even have to click on here. You just hover your mouse over. We want number 1. This time they don't give us the data. They already do the graph for us right here, the tally chart. So we are looking for the ducks in a pond and the number of ponds. So we want to complete for 81 to 100 ducks. How many ponds contain 81 to 100 ducks? There's one pond with 81 to 100 ducks. Hover over again, make sure it lines up. A pottery factory kept track of the number of broken plates per shipment last week. Use the data to complete the histogram below. So what's missing is 30 to 39 broken plates. How many shipments contain that? So let's count between 30 and 39. We have 1, 2, 3. 3. Make sure it all lines up. Another tally chart. So Miss Patterson was doing her sit-up competition. This is the number of sit-ups. This is how many students. Now pay attention to your scale on the side. They're not counting by 1s anymore. They're counting by 5s. So for 16 to 20 sit-ups, there were 5 students. So I'm going to make sure my bar is as high as the 5 on the y-axis. Now we have push-ups, but they didn't give us the tally chart. We have to count. So we're looking for 0 to 19 push-ups. Be careful as you're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're counting by 1s on your y-axis again. So 4 people did 0 to 19 push-ups. Emily's counting silver beads on each bracelet at Oxford Jewelry, the store she works. These are the silver beads per bracelet. We're missing 6 to 10, so we want to count all the silver beads on these bracelets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3 that are 6 to 10. Two bars again, so I must count. Okay. Cracked panes per shipment. Number of shipments with 6 to 10 cracked panes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 were 6 to 10 cracked panes. Now 11 to 15. 1, 2, 3 had 11 to 15 cracked panes. Hanging Christmas lights, we'll count the number of broken lights on each string. So these are broken lights per string. We have 2 bars again. How many strings had between 1 and 10 broken lights? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 had between 1 and 10. 11 to 20, we have 1, 2. 2 strings had 11 to 20 broken lights. Another tally chart Sean is researching the scores of people competing on his favorite quiz show. This is their score. This is how many people had the score in that range. 60 to 79, nobody had that score between 60 and 79. 80 to 99, 5 people had the score on this quiz show. Food Magazine published a list of local restaurant ratings. Use the data to complete the histogram below. 6 to 10 is the restaurant rating. These are the number of restaurants that had 6 to 10, so let's count 6 to 10. Looks like one restaurant had a rating between 6 and 10. And how many restaurants had a rating from 21 to 25? Looks like 1, 2, 3. Hanging Christmas lights again. These are the broken lights per string. We want to count how many strings had between 10 and 19 broken Christmas lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 had 10 to 19. How many had 40 to 49? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 had 40 to 49. Again, make note of your scale. They're counting by ones. Another tally chart, 2 bars that we have to fill in, the number of employees. You can see the ranges. This is how many companies have between 1 and 5, 20. You can see, let's fill in our data. Number of employees, 1 to 5, was 20. Number of employees, 11 to 15, is 25.